Most cracked heels don't start on the surface. They begin deep inside the skin, long before you even see the first fracture. And today, you're about to discover a simple combo that can soften, heal, and seal those cracks faster than many expensive foot creams. Stay with me, because once you understand why this works, you'll never look at your heels the same way again. Why heels crack? The simple science. Cracked heels, also called heel fissures, form when the skin around your heel becomes too dry. The pressure from standing, walking, or weight pushes the dry skin outward. The stretched skin breaks, creating painful splits. Dirt and bacteria can enter, making things even worse. The heel skin is naturally thick, but when it loses moisture, it becomes rigid, brittle, and unable to stretch. Think of it like a dry leaf. Bend it slightly and it snaps. This is where Vaseline and lemon come in, each playing a powerful scientific role. Why lemon works? The science. Lemon contains citric acid, a natural exfoliating acid that gently removes dead, hard skin. Vitamin C supports skin repair and renewal. Antibacterial properties helps reduce infection risk in tiny fissures. When applied to the heel, lemon loosens dead skin, making it easier to remove. It also prepares the skin so moisture can penetrate deeper. Why Vaseline works? The science. Vaseline, petroleum jelly, is a moisture-locking powerhouse, creates a protective barrier on the skin, prevents water loss through evaporation, softens thickened skin, speeds up healing by keeping the area moist, helps new, healthy skin cells grow. When used correctly, it doesn't just moisturize. It seals in hydration, almost acting like a healing shield. Now combine lemon plus Vaseline, and something powerful happens. The Vaseline plus lemon combo. How it works. Lemon removes, Vaseline repairs. Step 1. Lemon breaks down dead, hardened layers. Step 2. Vaseline sinks into the softened area and locks in moisture. Step 3. The heel begins to heal from inside out, not just look better temporarily. Within a few days, you'll notice softer heels, reduced roughness, faster healing, less pain, fewer new cracks forming. This combo doesn't just cover cracks. It fixes the root cause, extreme dryness and dead skin buildup. How to use Vaseline plus lemon for cracked heel treatment. Step 1. Soak your feet, very important. Fill warm water in a basin. Add a pinch of salt and soak your feet for 10 to 15 minutes. Warm water softens thick skin, allowing lemon to work more effectively. Step 2. Use the lemon. Cut a fresh lemon in half. Rub the juicy side over your cracked heels for 3 to 5 minutes. You may feel a slight tingling. This is normal. Let it sit for 10 minutes. Step 3. Rinse and pat dry. Gently wash off the lemon with warm water. Pat the skin completely dry. This ensures Vaseline stays on the skin and not diluted. Step 4. Apply Vaseline generously. Massage a thick layer of Vaseline onto the heel. Focus on the deepest cracks. This step locks in moisture and boosts healing. Step 5. Wear socks overnight. Socks trap warmth and help the Vaseline penetrate deeper. Results look best when left overnight. How long until you see results? Most people notice softer heels in one night, reduced cracks in 3 to 5 days, deep crack recovery in 1 to 2 weeks. Consistency is the secret. Extra tips for faster healing. Avoid walking barefoot on cold floors. Drink enough water. Use a pumice stone twice a week. Avoid harsh soaps, they dry out the skin. Moisturize daily even after healing. If your cracked heels hurt, bleed, or make you hide your feet, you don't need expensive creams or salon treatments. This simple Vaseline plus lemon combo gives your heels the moisture, softness, and repair they've been craving. Try this at home, and your feet will thank you.